The impact of AI on modern marketing strategies. And what is modern marketing? It is marketing with AI. Imagine a world where your marketing campaigns practically run themselves, delivering personalized experiences to millions, all while you're sipping your morning cup of coffee. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with artificial intelligence, that dream is now a reality. Let us talk in more details about how marketing used to be. Marketing has undergone a massive transformation over the decades, from the age of billboards and TV commercials to digital boom of social media and now the AI revolution. The digital AI era brought new channels and opportunities for marketers to reach their audiences. And AI today is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer that's redefining how we connect with customers. How was viral marketing? If we talk about viral marketing, it only meant hoping your pamphlets did not end up in the trash. Oh, that was simple and easy. But viral marketing today involves complex AI algorithms and social media strategies. What is good about it is you have AI that is helping marketers create content more likely to go viral by analyzing trends and user behavior. What AI offers is personalization like never before. AI powered personalization is what we are talking about. Artificial intelligence enables unprecedented levels of personalization. By analyzing customer data, AI helps you deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. Let's talk about Amazon. Their recommendation engine powered by AI accounts for 35% of their total sales. Every customer who bought this also bought this suggestion is a product of complex algorithms designed to understand you better than your friend does. A study by Epsilon in 2023 found that 80% of consumers are more likely to make a purchase when brands offer personalized experiences. And that's exactly what Amazon is doing. People who bought this also bought this. If you bought a mobile, people also bought a screen guard, a cover, and maybe a Apple Care pack or an insurance. So Apple is suggesting and increasing its sales with some naturally aligned additions or upsells. Then AI also enhances customer engagement with chatbots, having 24 by 7 availability. AI powered chatbots are revolutionizing customer service. They provide instant responses, handle multiple queries simultaneously, and are available 24 by 7. Brands like H&M use chatbots on platforms like Kick to help customers find outfit ideas and boosting engagement and sales. So if I'm a new customer onto the H&M app and looking for some suggestions, the chatbot is going to help me with that. And the best part, chatbots never get tired or they never need coffee breaks, unlike us mere mortals. What about data driven decision making with predictive analytics? So, when we talk of AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics, all of these make it a powerful tool. Predictive power. Predictive analytics uses AI to analyze historical data and predict future trends. This means you can anticipate customer behavior and adjust your strategies accordingly. According to Forbes, companies that leverage predictive analytics are 73% more likely to achieve above average financial performance. For an example, Netflix. It saves an estimated $1 billion per year on customer retention by using predictive analytics to recommend content users are likely to enjoy. And you have experienced this, I'm sure. Automating routine tasks for efficiency. What are the steps? So you identify the repetitive tasks, list out tasks that consume a lot of your time. You choose an automation tool, select based on your needs and budget. You set up workflows, you use templates or create custom workflows. You test and refine and ensure everything works smoothly. And then you monitor the performance, use analytics to optimize your strategy. So that's an automation that you can always build in to improve your efficiency. Some of the automation tools for marketing. So email marketing, you can use tools like MailChimp and Marketo to automate email marketing. You can use tools like Buffer and Hootsuite to schedule social media posts. And you can use AI-powered analytic tools that provide Let's talk about improving ROI with AI powered ad targeting. AI enhances ad targeting by analyzing user data to show ads to those most likely to convert. Google reports that advertisers who leverage AI for ad targeting see up to 30% increase in conversion rates. Facebook's AI driven ad platform helps businesses reach highly specific audiences, making ads spend more efficient. Now, coming to content creation and optimization. Use AI writing assistants, generate ideas and improve readability, analyze performance, use AI analytics to see what works, A/B test content, let AI tools test different versions, and then you refine your strategy, focus on content that delivers results. Some of the AI powered content creation tools like Canva Magic Write, Grammarly, and all of these. And then you have real time customer insights, the best thing about AI. AI provides real time insights, allowing you to adjust your campaigns on the fly. For example, Starbucks uses AI to analyze purchasing patterns and send personalized offers in real time via their app. Imagine knowing your customers so well that you could predict their coffee order before they even hit snooze. But how do you overcome all of these marketing challenges with AI? Customer churn is one of a big challenge. AI predictive models identify at risk customers. Competitive analysis, AI monitors competitors' activities. Market saturation, identify niche opportunities through data analysis. And what are the AI's impact on business productivity? Accenture reports that AI could increase business productivity by up to 40% by 2035 by automating routine tasks, allowing marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. And AI also provides insights that help businesses make more informed decisions faster. With that, we have some ethical considerations and practices. You adhere to GDPR and CCPA regulations. You inform customers about AI use. You regularly audit AI systems for bias. And remember, you want AI to help your brand, not turn it into the next villain in a sci fi movie. So, how do you incorporate AI in your strategy? You assess your needs. You identify where AI can add value. You set clear goals. Define what success looks like. You consider scalability and integration. You train your team, invest in education and training. You start small with pilot projects to test the waters. You measure and you adapt. Use KPIs to track the progress and you then keep scaling it up. A case study of Coca-Cola's AI success. The challenge was to improve social media engagement. It implemented AI for sentiment analysis to tailor content. It increased engagement by 20% and improved customer satisfaction. Some of the future trends to watch would be voice search optimization. With AI assistants like Alexa becoming more common, voice search is growing its importance, and with ChatGPT's voice search options becoming more even better, you understand it well. Marketers need to optimize content for voice queries, which often differ from typed searches. AI helps interpret natural language queries, improving voice search accuracy. Future trends to watch. In augmented reality, AI technology enhances customer experiences by blending digital elements with the real world. AR allows customers to virtually try products before purchasing, increasing confidence and reducing returns. AR powered ads create immersive experiences that boosts engagement and brand recall. AI in SEO. Search algorithms increasingly use AI to understand user intent and deliver more relevant results. AI tools help create and optimize content that aligns with search engine preferences, and AI can predict upcoming trends and help marketers stay ahead in search rankings. AI is the future of customer interactions as well. Gartner predicts that by 2025, 80% of human interactions or customer interactions will be managed without a human. 80% of customer interactions will be managed without a human. AI will enable personalized customer experiences across all touch points. AI will anticipate customer needs and provide solutions before issue arises. So that's the power of AI. To conclude, embracing AI in marketing. AI is transforming marketing strategies, making them more efficient, personalized, and effective. By embracing AI, you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're setting the pace. field of AI in marketing is constantly evolving, offering new opportunities for innovation. So next steps would be to identify AI opportunities, assess current strategy, research the AI tools, create implementation plan, monitor and optimize. And you will have to balance AI and human creativity for sure. AI excels at data analysis, automation and personalization at scale. Human bring emotional intelligence, creativity and strategic thinking to marketing. And the synergy, the most effective marketing strategies combine AI capabilities with human insight and creativity. Now that's the entire gist of whatever we learned till now. You have to balance between AI and human creativity, and that's where you understand that AI in itself or AI alone cannot do everything. There has to be human and the human creativity embedded into the AI strength, and that is what is going to make your AI marketing successful. That's all. You can download some resources that I have added. And should you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below, in the Q&A section, or in the Facebook group or community that you have joined. I'll be happy to help.